Concrete cover refers to the minimum distance between the surface of embedded reinforcement, such as rebars or cross-stressing tendons, and the outer surface of the concrete surrounding it. In simpler terms, it is the thickness of concrete that separates the reinforcing steel from the exterior environment. This cover is crucial for ensuring the durability and structural integrity of reinforced concrete elements. Here are its key aspects. 1. Protection against corrosion. One of the primary purposes of concrete cover is to protect the embedded reinforcement from corrosion. Corrosion can occur when moisture, oxygen, and aggressive chemicals penetrate through the concrete and reach the reinforcement. Adequate concrete cover helps to prevent this by acting as a barrier to a fire resistance. Concrete cover also contributes to the fire resistance of reinforced concrete structures. During a fire, concrete cover provides insulation to the embedded reinforcement, delaying the increase in temperature of the steel and thus maintaining the structural integrity of the element for a longer period. 3. Bonding. The thickness of concrete cover affects the bond between the reinforcement and the surrounding concrete. Sufficient cover ensures proper bonding and transfer of stresses between the concrete and the reinforcement, thereby optimizing the structural performance. 4. Dimensional stability. Concrete cover helps to maintain the dimensional stability of the reinforcement by providing adequate spacing from the external environment, preventing potential expansion or contraction that could occur due to environmental changes. 5. Design requirements. Concrete cover requirements are specified in building codes, standards, and structural design drawings based on factors such as exposure conditions, for example, weather, moisture, chemical exposure, structural element type, for example, beams, columns, slabs, and design life considerations.